stand for an invocation to be led by police
and integrity. We seek your continued guidance in our
We are the walking, talking representation of PNP Vision. We are the walk yesterday. Nice. Thank you. Nakakabalas ka. Civility code. So, even if you have a vision,
na tama or mali. Okay? Like, finally, this is the famous pit stop, Mango Pizza. Yes, and itong itsura nito. Kaya, okay.
make sure that
group members.
Welcome with the police host, Police Brigadier General Laineen Sensi. Ma'am, good morning and welcome to the Police Regional Office 6.
Our group is the 4th group. And next, how to be heard by the way around
are being treated. So please review all these guidelines. Okay, let's try to talk in Saya-saya ko talaga. Police sumusunod. Out to the handshake. You are telling the other person that stationary. And when you do the firm handshake, look at the eyes. Okay? Hindi tayo nag-eye contact. Right? Ang sinasabi lang sa atin, galing election, okay na na. Sino yung magandang?
Sometimes, always.
Kung kaya, so, pakita niyo muna. So, forward, and then try to cross your leg. I tell you, and notice that this is not possible.
learnings. Thank you for that, ma'am. And this is a very good opportunity para sa akin.
I've learned about shift. Yun ang tumatak sa isip ko at
or ranting, even your photos are being remembered by how many great image or whatever. You can have that package, some of them. Kasi natanong doon, yes, the garbage was really fun. The first year, that's party, talagang tsatsaga yung assign. So the higher the pledge, the higher the percentage na-identify yung anong totoo sa hindi. The more careful I is, the more you should actually do this. Why? Yung reaction ng stress hormone babagsak, ay, nakapit kayo na nakagaling kayo. Expect mo. Actions and management speaks louder than words. Kasi ito ang sa'yo. Ayun ba? Oh, wait. Okay. Versus scripted. Good morning, ma'am. Fear. Then ikaw would you see how parang you cannot determine or do not determine kung ano yung Let's reflect on this. I'll give you do it with versus. So let's do this. Mas malaki ilong mo, mas malaki boses niya, none of you is a mistake. So please, if you are fearfully and wonderfully made, looking prepared. Because professional image and executive presence is never about performance. It is telegraphing, it is signaling that you are prepared. So blessed. She is so blessed that I also allowed the Lord to use me for His glory and to bless you. Alright? So, I have delivered this. And we will also announce winners. So, di ba? Ano yung winner? The dress for the day is Zoe! Is digital etiquette. Oh, thank you. 61.
So, medyo mas madami po ako.
Na Antigua pa po ako galing. And I'm really glad, ma'am, that I've learned a lot from your seminar, ma'am, from your this speaking English.
Excited to join. At hindi talaga ako nagkamali na nag-join ako. Kasi I learned a lot dito sa training na to. Actually, sa
Indeed, it's a pleasant day for every one of us here. It is a great privilege that I belong to this life-changing.
And attending the second day of this lecture under Ms. Tony Miranda has been both wonderful and enriching experiences.
Last!